Today I'd like to share with you this brushed nickel toilet tank handle. As you can see here, it has this nice brushed nickel look to it. Very nice and solid. The other thing I really like about this is that the arm here is not plastic like a lot of them. It is metal, and it is going to hold up and withstand a lot better than cheap plastic one would. The install of these is very simple. You can see there it just slides through there. It does have this little plastic washer there. So you just slide that through, tighten this piece on. Nice thing about this handle, it's a universal fit. Works very well. For an inexpensive price, it actually looks a little nicer than some of the ones that come standard.